The Mandela Effect, why your brain creates false memories. Did you ever remember something with full confidence and then someone told you that it never actually happened? If yes, then congratulations. You just experienced something called the Mandela Effect, a strange phenomenon where millions of people remember the same wrong thing. And today, we're diving deep into why your brain creates false memories and why it's not your fault. The Mandela Effect got its name because thousands of people around the world remember Nelson Mandela dying in prison in the 1980s. They remember the news channel, the funeral, world reactions, even the speeches. The only problem? Mandela didn't die in prison. He was released and died in 2013. So how can thousands, even millions, remember something that never happened? Let's find out. Most people believe memory works like a camera. You see something and your brain records it. But actually, your brain never records anything perfectly. Every time you remember a memory, your brain rebuilds it from scratch. And every time it rebuilds, it also changes it a little. That's why memories get twisted, merged, and distorted over time. Your brain isn't trying to lie. It's trying to fill in the gaps. Now here's where it gets creepy. How can millions of people share the same false memory? Psychologists explain this using three things. 1. Social reinforcement. If enough people say something is true, your brain automatically starts believing it. 2. Similar experiences. Humans watch the same cartoons, movies, logos, so they make the same guesses. 3. Pattern completion. Your brain loves patterns. When it forgets a detail, it fixes the memory with the most logical pattern. That's why we all remember. Pikachu with a black tail tip never existed. The Monopoly man having a monocle. He never had one. Looney Tunes spelled as Looney Tunes. Wrong. Your brain fills in the expected pattern, not the real one. The Mandela Effect is basically a glitch in your mind. Your brain mixes real memories, assumptions, similar experiences, and imagination, and then produces a memory so strong that you'd bet your life it's true. Scientists call this confabulation. When your brain creates a memory without asking your permission, it's not lying. It's trying to help you. Now here's the interesting part. Some people believe the Mandela Effect might be parallel realities overlapping, timeline shifts, or glitches in a simulation. Science doesn't support this, but millions of people swear they remember events different. Is it a mental glitch or something deeper? That's for you to decide. So the next time you swear something happened, but everyone else tells you you're wrong, just remember, your brain isn't broken. It's simply doing what it always does, rebuilding reality from pieces. If you want more psychology, mystery, and mind-twisting facts, make sure you subscribe to Psycholume.